Ready to unlock the power of your time tracking data? Let's dive into the Clockify API and see how you can build custom integrations and automated workflows. First, head over to the Clockify website and navigate to the API documentation. You'll find comprehensive information about all the available endpoints, request methods, and data structures. To get started, you'll need an API key. This key acts as your access pass to the Clockify API. You can find it in your Clockify profile settings under the API section. Keep this key safe and treat it like a password. Now, let's make our first API request. The documentation provides sample code snippets in various languages. Choose the one you're comfortable with and adapt it to your needs. Pay close attention to the request methods. Use get to retrieve data, post to create new entries, put to update existing ones, and delete to remove data. The API returns data in JSON format. You can then parse this data in your application and use it for reporting, analysis, or integration with other tools. With the Clockify API, you can automate time tracking, create custom reports, and build powerful integrations. The possibilities are endless, so get coding.